Bless the Lord, everybody. I hope you're having a really good morning. You know, God is awesome. God has strategically placed many of us in the workplaces that we are in. And He has done this for a reason. Not for our own selfish reason of going to work there for money, but for us, especially as children of God, to be servants. And sometimes we forget this. We are placed in places to serve, to use the talents and gifts that He has given us to help the people around us and to be a living example for God. As you go about your business today in your workplaces, remember that it is not always about you, but about the people who are around you and how you can influence them and shine your light so that you are an example. Bless you.